Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This end of day report is for trading on Monday, December the 4th, 2017. Make this really quick. As you can see, this is a chart of the Dow, just a continuation, locked in momentum right now. Dow's up over 24,000. And just like I said to you last week, there's just no end in sight. You can also verify this by looking at the XIV. The XIV is staying above the momentum line. Did so last week. Same thing this week. So we'll watch and see what happens. As long as it stays above that, we should be good to go. Taking a look at how NVDA is doing. And you can see here, it lost that momentum last week, continuation pattern this week, just like I told you last week, threatening to take out the first trend line support. That means the next one in play is right here. So this trend line right here is in play on NVIDIA. Following that up with the NASDAQ 100, you can see same thing, lost. It's losing momentum so far. It held it last week, but it's losing it so far this week. So this first trend line right here is in play, followed by this one here. We'll see what happens. It's still early yet. Just because it's in play doesn't mean that it's going to be net. So let's take a look here now at the Bitcoin index. Bitcoin back above 11,000. You can see right here it's gunning for that 12,000. Should take that out by the end of the week, no problem. And you can see the market is fully extended. The trend is fully extended. Got to go up a little bit more, and then I think the market will pull back and lose a little bit of momentum. And then as this trend line comes up to about 7,900 level, then we'll probably start to, I think it's going to be around 10,000. I think the pullback will be between 10,000 and this, I want to say 8,900. So between 8,900 and 10,000 will end up being the pullback support for the next leg up to the 14,000 mark. So that's our longer term approach. You can see rampage up ahead up until May and June of next year. So the velocity is just, it's there. All right, so that's what we're watching for. All right, let's see, taking a look at gold right now. All right, central banks keeping it at bay, just not allowing this thing to move at all. It has no momentum whatsoever. Taking a look at silver. Silver, like I was showing you about falling off the cliff. Well, that's pretty much what it did. If I can, what in the world happened here? Okay, you can see here it extended last week. Now it's kind of just hanging out down here, threatening to lock in. So we'll see what happens. It's lost momentum, and looks lower prices are coming. I think it wants to drop below this 16 handle, get into the 15 handle like I told you. Hopefully it can find some support before doing that. GBTC benefiting off of the Bitcoin right now. As you can see, this one's ready to blast off over the 2,200 mark. All right, so this one's called much higher. Looking at the BTCS. All right, this one right here. It's just hanging out, building that. It built that support at the 9 cents. Now here we are up over 11 cents. And I think, like I told you, this is just going to be stretched out. We have until mid-February, and then I think we should be on our way up at least halfway, somewhere around 22 to 26 cents, and be on our way toward this high here. All right. Okay, that's all I got for right now. I got a terrible migraine, so I'm going to get the pulse waves out for this evening, and I'm going to go and chill. So with that being said, remember, We have a 7-day free trial going on, so take advantage of it while it lasts. That's at pulsewavetrading.com. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Oh, and one more note. It was all over Bloomberg, folks. It was all over Bloomberg all weekend. That's all they've been talking about is how the exchanges around the world are moving as fast as they can because they want to offer the blockchain and they want to offer all the cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and all the altcoins. And all the hedge funds that were Johnny come latelys that have not been participating are lining up at the door so that they can access the platform and they want to start shorting it. That was the announcement per the Bloomberg today. All right. What that means to you, expect prices to go through the roof. When hedge funds come in and start shorting, that's your opportunity to make a boatload of money on the long side because that means they're going to get crushed. They're going to provide liquidity to the market and you get to punch them all in the face with your wallet. All right. More will be covered on that later. Like I said, I got a migraine. I got to go. Cutting this one short. All right. Peace.